Hi, my name is Lauren Connell, and I will be doing the egg drop experiment to encase my egg in foam and to try to prevent it from cracking as best I can. So I have my materials here, safety goggles for safety so that I don't poke an eye out or something, a knife for cutting, a ruler for measuring, and a block of foam plus to encase my egg in, and then a cutting board to not jump up my dad's table. So here we go. I want it approximately 8 by 5 by 6 inches in volume, so I will be cutting it at the 1 inch mark all the way around because I have it opposite to the centimeters. So there. And I want it approximately right here. Can I start over? Okay. Okay. Okay, so I will be using this part of the foam block. I turned it halfway around so that I wouldn't chop uneven parts. So this is as straight as it's probably gonna get. So next I am going to turn the crinkly side, no, never mind, the straight side, the flat clean side up, and I'm going to create a circle in the top of it to encase my egg. So I will want it, I'm gonna make Being how the knives were super dangerous, my dad jumped in and helped me a little. So he basically just carved out the middle right here. Oof, okay. And that's the hollow inside. That's what I will be putting my egg in. And so here is my egg. It is a small brown egg, vegetarian. So I just put this baggie around it so that if it cracks, then it will be protected and it won't get all over my phone cube. Just to make sure it's really tight because I do not want gooey stuff all over my inside. Okay, so this should fit right in here. No problem at all. I want a little bit of air in that. Okay, so just put that down in the bottom. I want it to be fully encased, and then here is the piece that I took out in the first place. So I want to put that packed in as nicely as I can. And I want it to be packed in that tightly, really tightly, so that there should be like almost nothing sticking out because I'm pushing it in so hard. So this is basically my egg project, and so that's it, and hopefully it will not crack when I drop it. So let's go and see. So basically right now I am going to toss this up into the air, and I am going to exceed the criteria by throwing it higher than the 16-point mark. Probably about 20 feet, hopefully, if it reaches that high. So if it breaks, then I'll know I need to do something or fix it.
so hopefully, I want to test it to make sure that it worked. Alright, that was... Okay. So, let's check my egg. Oh, the foam's coming up. Okay. So, being how it was really nicely packed in, it did not crack at all. In fact, let's actually try it a second time, just to make sure. Okay, so here's my egg. This says normal like the last time. So this time I hope to do it even higher so that I can really see if it worked. Okay. So here we go. Okay. Was that because I touched it? Yeah. So let me try that again because I touched it and it kind of changed the variable there. So here we go again. Okay, so I should be checking it the second time. Hopefully it hasn't broken. Alright, not a scratch on it. Alright, so here it is. I'm gonna try to open it without dropping it. This is the egg, and there is barely anything on it. That was a good test right there. Alright, now I'm going for my third one because I want to just make sure 100% that it will not crack. So yeah. Let's get this ziplock up. Okay. There we go. Okay. Yes. Now. Okay. Okay. This is what it looks like inside of there, just to give you guys an idea of what how it's working. So now I'm basically gonna just put this right in there, nice and tight to make sure that it's good. See, it's good. There we go. Alright. Okay, there. Here we go. Hopefully that one didn't break either. Just to make sure the last one. We don't want it to break on the last try. To prove my hypothesis that if I put it in a cube then it will work. Okay. Oh, would you look at that? Nothing. Nothing at all. Just little dark spots because it's warm now. So that's basically how well it survived that drop there. So let's do it a fourth time. Okay, so this is going to be the last row to really exceed how many times I want to throw it up. Okay, so I'm doing 4 tries just to really make sure, because you can never be too sure. So here we go. Last throw, just to kind of make sure that it really super duper works. Alright, so here's my cube. And going for the last throw here. Oh, that one went backwards there. Alright, hopefully this one survived it. So here we go. This one did not survive, then I will have to change a few things. Okay, would you look at that? There is not even a ding on it. Nothing. Okay, so this basically concludes my experiment. So I have actually proved that if you drop an egg from probably, I would say about, because I'm not that accurate right now, I would say about 20 feet. Not to be, that's probably not 20 feet. So it's probably lower, it's probably like 15 feet. So that basically proves that if I drop an egg in an cube of foam, and basically it will not let the egg crack. It'll actually do it a favor. The end.